Alright, here we got a CX15. It is a 15-foot cutter. I don't know why I'm measuring. I'm just gonna, for Bill's sake, I'm gonna tap it with a tape measure. But it does have a 540 PTO, as you can see, and they've got it all greased up. This thing looks like it's had really good care. We just brought it in. It does have the heavier duty everything. The CX15 is the heaviest duty one they got. Six back tires that are, I believe, airplane tires. Front chain kit. It's got deck plates, stump jumpers, rear chains. Let me turn it so you can see how tight it is. Just watch those shafts. You can see me turning it. Everything on it is good. The other side.
Yep.
Turns with these. Just really nice. Somebody's put the whole new jack system on there, and they got a place here you can put it while you're using it so you don't bend it up. But this is a really good cutter, as near as I can tell, and going to be on a live auction.